Wolf Paving Raceway, Racer of the Week.
I'm Andy Braun from Highly Tuned Motorsports, racer of the 37 kart and Yamaha Super Can.
Windbreaker crash.
This week.
Won the feature and second in points. I'm coming for you, Nick.
All right, well, sounds like a great day for you.
Yeah, the class has been a lot of fun this year. We've had a good group. It's been a good time.
You the whole race?
Led it wire to wire. Started on the pole and didn't look back. Just was thinking about what I was going to have for dinner tonight. Just ripping.
How long you been racing?
I've been racing here since the late 1900s. Probably like since I was 12, so 30,
Really?
20 some years. Yeah.
Wow, awesome.
Yep. Right, it's been fun. I got my two kids racing. Badger's the place to be.
You got any sponsors?
Yeah, I'd like to thank Stu's Flooring, Premier Floors, Highly Tuned Motorsports, Tinus Marine, and everybody else that helps us out, my parents and family. It's a family sport. It couldn't do it without the family.
Tell me about your kart a little bit.
I'm driving a Will Power cart. They've been helping us out this year. Things just easy to drive, so not much to do but race it.
All right, very cool.
So, I'd like to thank Billy and Brett from Will Power Kart. I'd like to thank my guy Bob over at Highly Tuned Motorsports. He keeps us all going. That's it.
All right, thanks a lot.
All right, thank you.
Congratulations.
Yep, thanks.